Member management module in hybrid MLM. Member management in hybrid MLM system is typically involves a set of features and tools to manage the profile and activities of individual members within the MLM network. After logging to the admin side, you can able to see the member management option. By clicking this member management, it will redirect to the member management dashboard. Here is the member management dashboard. On the member management dashboard, you can able to see the profile details or wallet details, commissions details, etc. The admin can manage all the activities of the users in the system. He can select the users by searching the user or by clicking this advanced option. By clicking the advanced option, it will shows all the users in the system. As per his choice, he can select any user from the system. See, by selecting a user, it will redirect you to the selected user's profile. So, the admin can change the account information of the selected user, like username, sponsor, parents, etc. By clicking the profile info, he can also edit all the profile details like email, first name, last name, date of birth, etc. Next, next section comes in the profile section is the security info. That is, here the admin can change the password. Not only the user password but also the transaction password. For this, you can click the wallet section and just give a password and confirm that password by clicking the save button. This transaction password will get saved. Next one is the social info. Here, the admin can manage the social info of information about the user. Next section comes under the member management is the wallet section. By selecting the wallet section, here you can see different types of wallet like coin wallet, e-wallet, repurchase wallet, etc. I'm here clicking the wallet. Then here you can able to see the total summary of the e-wallet. And on the right side, here you can able to see the transaction option. There is an option to filter these transactions here. By giving the filter option, here you can able to see the transaction details if there is any transaction happened. After that, you can able to see the cash inflow and cash outflow of the wallet. This cash inflow or the cash outflow is the total amount of money being transferred into and out of the business. See, on the below side, you can able to see the admin profile selecting option. By selecting the admin profile and clicking the wallet section, you can see this amount, the cash inflow and the cash outflow in a graphical representation because there happen so many transactions. So it will show as a graphical representation. See, the total amount will be shown here. The transacted number can be seen here. Next section is the commission section. These commissions are the key component of how participants generate income in MLM. As I already told, both the admin details and the user details can be edited or can be updated by the admin. So this is the admin's panel. If you need to edit any user details, as I already told, you can select any user from the system. Here you can able to see the already selected user profile will be appear here. Here you can able to see two types of commissions. These are the two types of commission. If there is another type of commission, it will be listed here. First one is the level commission. This type of commissions earned by MLM participants based on the sales or recruitment activities of their downline team members placed within the specific levels or generation in the organization structure. And here you can able to see this credited and pending details in a pie graph representation and on a graphical representation based on the commissions and the month. Next one is a referral or sponsor commission. By clicking the referral or sponsor commission, here you can able to see the referral sponsor commission summary in a in a graphical representation. This referral commission in MLM is a form of compensation earned within individuals recruitment or sponsor new members into the MLM network. After that, here you can able to see the personalized setting. In personalized settings option, here the basic rank can be set up. See, by clicking the set basic rank, you can able to set the current rank and set a default basic rank for the user. So this rank will be allocated to that specific user in the system. If you selecting this tester and clicking this personalized setting by clicking the set basic rank, here the admin can set a basic default rank for that user. By clicking the save button, this module will be get saved, and this basic rank will be allocated to the user we selected. Again, I am going to this admin section. Next one is the active or deactivate button. By selecting the active or deactivate sections in the admin's management section, here you can able to see a note here. This admin status cannot be changed. So we can understand that the activate or deactivate feature of this member management module works for the user side. We are selecting an user here, and by clicking this active or deactivate feature, so the admin can activate or deactivate that user's entry or any users any other activities in the system. By clicking the inactive section, that will result to the suspend commission, suspend payout, suspend fund transfer to that user. But the user can log into the system. In case if the status is changed to active, the user is allowed to log into the system and have the commissions or like referral commission or level commission, any other commission or suspend payout and suspend fund transfer options all are active to that user. In case the member status is set to the terminated by the admin, then the member cannot be logged into the system or get not get any commissions, and the payout will be suspended and the fund transfer also be get blocked. Next one is the status can be set it into the custom status. By selecting the member status to the custom, the admin can select whatever the features or activities can be customized to that user. And clicking the activate button and clicking the save module. So this will be get saved. Next one is the downline list. By clicking the downline list, the admin can view the downline list of the admin or the other user. This downline list can be filtered based on the levels and placements. Here you can able to see no downline members for this current user. If this is an admin section and clicking the downline list, here you can able to see the downline members of that admin section. These are the admin's downline members. The serial number, username, first name, last name, email, mobile number, date of join. And this downline list also can be filtered according to the levels, types. By clicking the filter button, these all get filtered. Next one is the KYC document in member management. Here the admin can see the KYC document of the selected user. If this any user is selected, by clicking their KYC document feature, the admin can view their KYC document if that is uploaded. Here that's not uploaded, so they cannot able to see the KYC document. Otherwise, it will be displayed here. Next feature by the member management module is that manual transaction. Here, the admin can manually transact any commissions in the form of amount to that user by giving any remarks. After filling all this commission amount and remarks, click the send button. Here you can able to see the current balance of the system or the admin. By clicking the pay button and by entering the transaction password, this amount will and clicking the submit button, the amount will be transferred to that selected user. Next one is the placement changer feature of the member management in Hybrid MLM. This is typically a feature or function within an MLM compensation plan that allows participants to adjust the placement or positioning of their downline team member. But here the admin place cannot be changed. Only the user's placement can be changed. See, after selecting an user and go to their placement changer option, here you can able to see the notes. Changing parents would affect all future operation connected to the parent, such as commission, qualification, etc., but will not affect any either operation related to the parents, but performed earlier or operation related to placements. It is not permitted to set any of your downline as your parents. These are the two conditions to change the placement option. Here the admin can select the placement name here by clicking the save button. This placement of the tester will be changed. Next one is the sponsor changer. Like the placement changer, here the sponsor for the user can be changed, but the sponsor for the admin cannot be changed. By clicking the sponsor changer option, here also you can able to see the two nodes. Changing sponsor would affect all future operation connected to the sponsor, such as commission, qualification, etc., but will not affect any of either operation related to the sponsor but performed earlier or operation related to placements. It is not permitted to set any of your downline as your sponsors. Here the admin can set the sponsor here for any user. By clicking the save button, the sponsor changer feature will be get saved. Next feature or the function in the member management is this terminate user section. In this terminate user section, by giving the member ID or username and tester, by clicking the terminate user, here you can able to see the selected users member ID, username, full name, sponsor name, parent username, date of joining, etc. By simply clicking the terminate button, this user will be get terminated from the system. Before that, we should consider the notes that given. It is not possible to revert after the tree structure, and referral will be attached to the sponsor and the downline will be attached to the parents. Attachment should be as the last. So after considering these notes, the admin can terminate this user from the system. Next section is the ID card section. In this ID card section, you can see the ID card of the user or the admin, and here is an option to print that ID card. Next one is the notes and comments section. Here the admin can add notes and comments for himself and for the user. The last one is the remote login section. In this remote login, here the admin can remotely log into the user account. See, here you can able to see the remote login, and using this link will be exit the current session. You need to read these notes, and by clicking the go button, it will be redirected to that profile of that user directly. See, this is the user dashboard. Admin can directly redirected to that user profile. By clicking the back button, it will redirect to the admin profile directly. This is all about the member management module in Hybrid MLM.